Franchise Group. Franchise Group, Inc. is an American holding company. It is the third largest tax preparation franchise in the United States. The company began in Canada in 1997 when John Hewitt, co-founder of Jackson Hewitt, acquired a Canadian tax franchisor, U&R Tax Depot. In 1998, the company became Liberty Tax Service and opened 5 offices in the United States. Liberty Tax Service is the company's primary subsidiary. On September 19, 2019, the company changed its name to Franchise Group, Inc. History. Liberty Tax Service appeared on Forbes' Top 20 Franchises for the Buck in 2012. Liberty Tax Service is well known for its waivers, people in Statue of Liberty costumes, and Uncle Sam costumes used as a form of guerrilla marketing. On October 28, 2011, a flash mob of costumed Lady Liberties danced in Times Square to promote Liberty Tax Service and celebrate the anniversary of the Statue of Liberty. Diversification. Founder, John Hewitt began his career at H&R Block as a tax preparer in 1969 and was later promoted to regional director of 250 offices. In 1982, he went on to found Jackson Hewitt Tax Service, which he grew to over 1,300 offices until it was sold for $483 million in 1997. Awards. Entrepreneur magazine has ranked Liberty Tax Service on its Franchise 5 Best Franchise Opportunities since 1998. Liberty Tax Service is the only tax franchise on the Forbes magazine's Top 20 Franchises for the Buck, 2012. Criticism and legal actions. Liberty Tax has been the subject to criticism related to their business practices. Many of these have become the subject of legal actions by former franchise owners and some state attorneys general. Liberty Tax makes use of sign waivers, people dressed in costume, actively advertising for nearby franchises. They have come under criticism for violating zoning regulations, disrupting traffic. Liberty Tax was sued by the state of California in 2009 for promising its customers speedy tax refunds while failing to disclose that they were actually taking out high-interest bank loans on their behalf subject to finance. Liberty Tax franchises were the subject of a class action suit in South Carolina in 2011. The suit claims that the firm inflated business expenses and produced false information about charitable donations, and that the Liberty Tax Service office they hired did not follow through with a guarantee to assist them during the audit. The suit claims that Liberty Tax had a plan or a scheme to increase their profits by filing false, fraudulent, or inappropriate forms. Liberty Tax has been accused of engaging in predatory lending targeted at low-income and military families. The alleged abuses relate to what is known as Refund Anticipation Loans (RAL). An RAL is a high-interest rate short-term loan secured by a taxpayer's expected tax refund and designed to offer customers quicker access to funds rather than waiting for their tax refund from the IRS. The New York State Division of Human Rights in 2008 filed a complaint against Liberty Tax Service and others, seeking to limit the tax preparer's ability to market RAL. According to the DHR court filings, military families and ethnic minority families have found themselves in deep debt, having to use their tax refund and savings just to keep up with interest payments that can balloon up to 700% annualized when they get out. Subsidiaries. JTH Tax, Inc., doing business as Liberty Tax Service, facilitates refund-based tax settlement financial products, including tax preparation, refund anticipation loans, electronic refund checks, and personal income tax refund discounting. Liberty Tax Service conducts its business in the United States. American Freight, a chain of discount furniture and home furnishing stores that was acquired in February 2020. Buddy's Newco LLC, doing business as Buddy's Home Furnishings, offers home furniture including sofas, chairs, dining tables, as well as electronics and appliances. Buddy's Home Furnishings serves clients in the United States. The Vitamin Shop offers nutritional supplements in every 785 stores across the U.S. as well as online. Acquired by Franchise Group in December 2019, after Irving Place Capital sold the remaining shares of the company and its division, Super Supplements, to Franchise Group in the same year. Pet Supplies Plus offers pet supplies and services in 400-plus locations in 30-plus U.S. states. Former subsidiaries: Sears Outlet Stores, outlet version of Sears department stores located in various retail locations across the U.S. as well as online. Sold to Franchise Group in October 2019 while Transform Holdco completed the acquisition of the remainder of Sears Hometown at the end of the same business day. In April 2020, Sears Outlet was merged into American Freight and the stores were rebranded American Freight.